it teaches me how to carry my posture, but also as I learn how to do that, there's relief in my spine. And I have real spine problems, so there's real relief in my spine and my neck. And I go to a chiropractor every month, and there have been breakthroughs since I started coming here.
So there's this idea of body awareness, which I've always enjoyed, but this is going deeper in a way that I could not have gotten to myself, and I have really, really enjoyed that.
You know, when I was hiking, that was a major thing. I had major problems walking. I couldn't hike for very long before my back started bothering me until Lisa Ann showed me how to walk properly. I mean, something's, 66 years old, didn't know how to walk. So now I do, because I was not into my hips at all. I didn't know what hips were. I was just a soldier. I just walked but now I can really turn and bend and move, and it's, I didn't think I would be able to, or I didn't know what those movements felt like until Lisa Ann, she has this body movements, she teaches you what your body does, how it bends and how it twists and how it turns, and how to, strengthen without weightlifting or anything like that, So after I played golf, I would pay for it the whole week, but I had to play golf. Couldn't give up that, It's like,
And
now play, a couple times a week, hopefully, and nothing.